Okay, this roof covering is just a little too steep. This old man, I don't have that much mountain goat in me. But this is over where I'm pointing. Back up a little bit. Where I'm pointing, the camera's pointing right now, around that vent pipe. The vent pipe right there. You can see behind it, that's called sumping. So we expect to see a little bit of deflection. You can see some deflection on your neighbor's roof. You can see some deflection on this roof. But right there, behind that pipe, it's called sumping. It's just it's a little too much deflection for comfort. Probably never had much of a problem with it. It's true. But that's pretty good little sump there. Pretty good little dip. These are ridge vents. Ridge vents are nice to have. The underlayment's done pretty good. This roof, by the way, this roof is not very old. Look pretty good on the other side.